Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to install a website as an app in Chrome. So Google Chrome offers you the option to install website pages as apps, and I'm going to show you the two methods you can use to do that. So for the first method, first open up Chrome and a website that you want to install as an app. For me, it's YouTube. And after going to the website, on the right corner of the address bar, you'll see a computer icon. And as you hover over it, you'll see that it says install YouTube. So by clicking on this button, we can install the YouTube app. So click on it and a pop-up will appear asking if you want to install. So since you want to install, click on the install button. And there you have it. You've installed YouTube on your computer. So this is the first method, and I'm going to show you the second method. Now here we have ChatGPT opened, but if we go to the right corner, you don't see the install as an app button. For websites such as these, what you need to do is go to the three dots button over here on the right corner, click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see an option that says Cast, Save and Share. Hover over it. So this will open a list of options, and on the list of options, you'll see an option that says Install Pages App. So by clicking on this, we can install it as an app. So click on it. So a pop-up will appear asking you to install. So since you want to install, click on the install button. And there you have it. ChatGPT has been installed as an app as well. So to check if they are installed, you can minimize this and go to your desktop. And here are the shortcuts for both ChatGPT and YouTube. So this is how you install a website as an app in Chrome. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.